Just finished up a long day here in very hot Texas, cooking for hundreds of people. We cooked over 100 pounds of food, but now it's time for us to eat, and I have a killer idea for a Texas brisket sausage sandwich with chili. You can see the crew is tearing everything down. We had a huge group of people here earlier. Lots of fun. We had freebies, people winning griddles. We gave away free seasoning, lots of Blackstone Griddle more hats, but now it's time for the crew to eat. This is Blackstone's brand new 14-inch camp griddle with a side burner. There's also a 20-inch camp griddle. I love these things. They're in the camping aisle. A cast aluminum top, coated with ceramic titanium, and these things are rock solid. Let's fire up the griddle. Stopped in at H.E.B this morning, my favorite grocery store. I got some chorizo. We're gonna make chili on the fly. Chorizo is pretty darn greasy, so I'm not gonna need to add oil right now. I can add a little bit later if I need to. I'm gonna brown up the chorizo. It is pork, so you want to make sure you cook it well done. I love the camp griddles because I hunt and fish, and we do a lot of camping. It's just perfect. It's so small, little suitcase style. You put your hand right there on the handle, and you can carry these things anywhere. It's so easy to take your griddle anywhere you go, even a Walmart parking lot. Gonna throw a cast iron skillet down on the side burner. I love the side burner because you can put about an 8 to 9 inch skillet over there, a small Dutch oven, even your favorite coffee pot. I picked up some Texas barbecue sauce. This is gonna be our cheater's way to make a chili. And of course, you wanna have Texas barbecue sauce when you're cooking brisket. The chorizo is done after a few minutes. We're gonna put it straight into my Texas barbecue sauce. So this is gonna be my quick cheater's way to make chili on the fly. If you have your own chili recipe, feel free to do it, but hey, I'm here in a parking lot and I don't have that much time. We're gonna mix that up, and this will be my cheater's chili. Or your next step today, check this out. H.E.B, Texas Heritage Beef Brisket Sausage. Oh, I'm all about that. Texas is famous for a lot of things, but beef brisket's gotta be number one. I have these bakery rolls, and I'm gonna try to get my sausage a comparable size to the bun, maybe just a little bit larger. And then one more. Chili is simmering, it's starting to look really nice. Gonna put a little bit of avocado oil down on my griddle side, and we're gonna go down with our sausage links. The oil is just gonna help. Gonna get a nice sear on the outside of these sausage, give it some nice color. And I always like to put a little extra oil on the top. A little brisket rub. Just love doing this. You gotta season up your sausage, your hot dogs when you're cooking them. And we're gonna roll these every minute or so. You can see we're already getting really nice color. These are smoked sausages, so they're already cooked, but we want to heat them up and make them beautiful. These are sort of an awkward shaped roll. I think I'm just gonna do a slice down in the center, and we can lay that sausage in there. Look something like that. I think it's time to plate these up. I'm gonna grab my roll and the sausage. These should fit in there perfectly. See, that's exactly what I was looking for. I'm just absolutely loving the new camp griddle. I can't get enough about them. So the crew is paramount to what we're doing here. Back in the day, I used to have to cook all by my lonesome. No crew, nobody to help me out. But now we have an amazing crew that does everything behind the scenes, and they make my job so much easier. So this is the time of day that we get to celebrate and have ourselves a Texas Brisket Chili Dog. They had pre-chopped onions and cilantro at H.E.B, so, whoo baby, I like that store. We're gonna top them off this way. You could add cotija cheese or crema on there as well. Throw another dusting of the steak seasoning on top. But take a look at that. Everything behind the scenes makes my job so much more fun. We get everything prepped ahead of time. That way we can entertain the crowd and just forget about the cooking and get down to customer service. But now it's time for us to eat. Take a look at that. It's a Texas brisket sausage sandwich with chorizo chili. So good. We got to get the crew over here, get a bite of these bad boys. Come on over. Just pick one. I'll grab this one. Oh, yes.
And I'll grab that. Ooh. Wow.
Everybody say hi to Charles and Raul. We've put on Blackstone Griddle more tour dates from coast to coast, and we've had a blast together. So, should we give it a try? Let's give it a try. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you visit us on the Blackstone Griddle More Tour every year. Visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. That's your source for everything Blackstone, and watch all of our shows on the Blackstone Network. Until next time, Todd, Raul, and Charles, we're saying praise the Lord and pass the Texas Brisket Sausage Sandwich with chili.